Hey guys, for today's video I will be showing you my top 5 party outfits because last video में आप लोगों ने मुझे इतने सारे comments किए थे to show my top 5 outfits and I think they are so basic and you can style them in any way you want. इसलिए you should also have those because if you regularly go to parties या फिर कभी कभी भी जाते हो, you should have it because like who doesn't want to look awesome, right? So yeah, let's dive in. So this is our first outfit, a basic black jumpsuit. And why I think you should have this is because you can style it in so many different kind of ways. आप अलग बाल बना सकते हो, अलग ज्वेलरी ऐड कर सकते हो, अलग एक्सेसरीज ऐड कर सकते हो, बैग्स एंड स्टफ, एंड आई प्रॉमिस इट विल लुक डिफरेंट एवरी सिंगल टाइम. एंड व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज मैंने अपने दो बहुत मेजर लाइफ इवेंट्स में इन्हें पहना था, विच इज़ एक 2024 की न्यू ईयर पार्टी में एंड सेकेंड इज माई प्रतीक कुहार कॉन्सर्ट बिकॉज आई एम सच अ बिग फैन. And if you are also a Pratik Kuhar fan, you can comment and let me know because fan club guys. So yeah, this is my outfit. It's a halter neck jumpsuit जो मुझे क्या बोलूँ मैं जो मैंने Zara से लिया था. And yeah, thanks to my mom for picking this out for me. Moving on. So guys, this is my second option and I feel like you should always have a party kind of mini dress in your wardrobe because you can never go wrong with it. It's like the safest option you can go for. जैसे आप सोच रहे हो आज क्या पहनूं मैं इस पार्टी में, because it always happens. अगर आप regularly नहीं जा रहे, you will never find a good outfit on spot. But the safest thing you can always go for is a mini dress. So yeah, this is one of my favorite ones and I wore this for my Christmas party. जो अब मैं क्या बोलूँ इसके बारे में, and yeah, I'll describe this dress to you. So this is also from Zara. Now this is the case. Most of my outfits are from Zara thanks to my mom. But yeah, so you know what I like about this is this thing. ये जो क्लॉथ ऐसे आपके नेक से जाता है एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव अ ट्यूब टॉप ब्लैक कलर में जो मैंने अपने बर्थडे पार्टी में पहना था. इट ऑल्सो हैज द सेम थिंग. नाउ द पर्क्स ऑफ दिस इज यू डो नॉट हैव टू वेयर नेकलेस. ये तो मैं इसलिए पहन रही हूँ बिकॉज मैंने पिछले आउटफिट में भी पहना था एंड आई एम जस्ट टू लेजी टू टेक इट ऑफ. बट या आई फील लाइक this just gives it a character. I don't know how to describe it. And yeah, it's in cheetah print जो कि अभी काफ़ी ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा था 2024 दिसंबर जैन में. So yeah, this is it. Moving on to my third option. Alright, so this is our third option, a long black dress. Now, I do not know how you can go wrong with this because this is the same kind of situation as the jumpsuit. You can try different hairstyle, different kind of makeup, different kind of accessories, and it will give you a completely different look every single time. So I think you should definitely have this in your wardrobe. So I will give you a little turn. And again, I have not worn this anywhere because I think this requires like a specific kind of party. मतलब ऐसे एक fancy party होनी चाहिए जिसके लिए मैं ये पहन सकूँ. But yeah, कोई invite ही नहीं कर रहा मुझे तो please invite so I can wear this somewhere because look how beautiful this is, man. So yeah, I will wait and manifest for a party जिसमें मैं ये पहन सकूँ. तब तक के लिए I will show you my option number 4. Guys, this is our fourth option. Now we are back to mini dresses because again the safest option as I said, and I love this one so much because of two main reasons. The color, it's so festive and just so cute. Okay, because for obvious reasons I got this from Zara ka Zara ka festive collection. So that is why I cannot get a smaller size anymore because हमने एक size बढ़ा लिया था and now it's loose. And the thing is, it has a corset, so like fitting करना भी थोड़ा problem है. But yeah, I will make sure I fix this because I I cannot let this go, guys. This is so cool. And my second main reason for loving this dress is because of this fluffy, puffy skirt kind of situation over here. And yeah, अगर आप ऐसे डांस करोगे तो एकदम cool लगोगे. And you can pair it with stockings, or you could just wear it like this, and yeah, it will look awesome either way. Moving on to our fifth option. I forgot to mention, this was originally for Christmas. मतलब जो मैंने वो cheetah print वाली dress पहनी थी, originally ये उसी के लिए थी, but then because of the fitting again, I had to like change my plans. And उससे भी पहले, this was for Baby John का launch party. And we were like, it's okay, उसके लिए हम black dress पहन रहे हैं, because we had another option as well. So we went for that, and we will save it for Christmas. Christmas पे भी नहीं पहना हमने, but yeah, maybe this year's Christmas for sure. So yeah, moving on to our fifth option. So guys, last but not the least, I have saved the best for the last, my long red dress. Now, अगर आपको stand out करना है party में, you should definitely get a red dress, because how can you go wrong with that, man? So yeah, go for a red dress if you want to stand out, because red will make anyone look prettier, to be honest. That is my opinion. And I wore this for 12th ka farewell. But I'm an 11th, but because I'm an 11th grader, the ritual to like give 12th graders a farewell. So I wore this for that, and yeah, look at it. Take a look. Do we love this? Yes, we do. So yeah, these were our top 5 outfits, and I think you should also have them, because I think मैंने काफी basic चीजें बोली हैं. एक black jumpsuit, there were 2 mini dresses, a black long dress, and lastly a red long dress, because yeah, for obvious reasons. And अगर आप Pinterest पे जाओ, you will definitely see a long red dress for a party, like inspiration. So yeah, these were my top 5 outfits, and if you like them, don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you for watching. Also, thank you for watching other videos and showering me with your love, and I just want you to know that it means the world to me, and I'm very grateful for you guys and your support. So yeah, thank you so much for that, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.